The source of your media, video, and audio often comes from a camera that uses mini-DV tapes. Obviously, before you can edit, you need to get the video from the tape into Final Cut Pro. This procedure is known as capturing or ingesting media. In the near future, the mini-DV cameras we use will be replaced with cameras that record directly to discs. But for now, let's cover the steps needed to capture video from mini-DV. Each edit station is equipped with a mini-DV video tape recorder, or VTR. Insert the tape, making sure that you align it properly with the intake slot. Then, in Final Cut Pro under File, select Log and Capture. The Log and Capture window opens, showing a video window with its own set of playback controls. To the right are several fields where you can fill in information about the clip. Capturing happens in real time. That is, the actual length of time it takes to play back the clip is the amount of time it takes to capture it. Although there are a few methods one can use to capture clips, the fastest one is the Capture Now. One can use clip capture, but this requires that you log your clips first and takes extra time. Another method is batch capture, which requires logging multiple clips and then telling Final Cut Pro to capture them all. Although this may sound like an excuse to get a cup of tea while the computer does the work, there's no guarantee that the clips you select will be captured properly until the process is finished. The best method is to see what you're capturing as you capture it. Simply use Capture Now, which doesn't require that you log clips in advance. Before you start capturing, first give the clip a title. Type it in the description field. Select a title that will let you know what's on the clip for easy reference at a glance. Once it's been captured, the clip will appear in the browser with the title you gave it. Perhaps more important, the same title shows up in the source media, which will be stored in the Capture Scratch folder. If you leave the description field blank, then the clip will be captured with the name Untitled. Many students have often renamed clips after they show up in the browser, but the source clip in the Capture Scratch folder remains with the name Untitled. It can be a nightmare to sort through a folder full of clips that all have the name Untitled. It's best to stay organized from the very beginning. Name the clips first to save yourself the time and effort of having to find them among clips that all have the same name. Also, take a moment to check the Clip Settings tab in the Log and Capture window. The video and audio boxes should be checked to make sure that you are capturing both video and audio. If for some reason the video box is unchecked, then audio only will be captured. If audio is unchecked, then video only will be captured. A cursory glance at the clip settings before you capture might save you from having to capture your clips again. Now that your clip has been given a title, make sure that the tape is cued at a few seconds before the material that you want to use. This extra bit of padding might become useful when adding transitions, such as dissolves, to your edits. Either play the tape first and then click on Capture Now, or click on Capture Now first and then press play on the VTR. Continue to watch the playback, monitoring the video and audio. Likewise, allow a few seconds of padding at the end of your clip before you finish capturing. Press the Escape button on the computer keyboard to stop Final Cut Pro from capturing. The newly generated clip will appear in the browser. Repeat these steps with your remaining clips until you have what you need to edit.